Hello dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 9 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And name of the chapter is Verbs Expressing the Future. Means in this chapter we are going to study about those verbs which can be used in a sentence to express future time. So here, as we know the definition of verbs, verbs means the words which denote an action or being or possession. So here we are going to study about those verbs which express the future time in a sentence. So let us start learning. These are the ways to express future time in a sentence. So future time can be expressed using these 8 forms. First one is will or shall. That is simple future tense. In simple future tense, we express the future time by using will or shall. Second one is going to. Third one is present continuous. Fourth one is simple present tense. Fifth one is be plus infinitive. Although it's not so common to use it, but still it's a way to express future time. Sixth one is future continuous tense. Seventh one is future perfect tense. And eighth one is future perfect continuous tense. So these are the 8 forms which express future time in a sentence. So we will learn their uses one by one. So let us start with the first one, will or shall. That is simple future. Simple future tense. In simple future tense, we use will or shall. Where do we use will or shall? Normally, we use will with all the persons, means first person, second person, and third person. But with first person, that are I and we may use shall instead of will. So, with first person, shall and will both are applicable. But even that, it's not common to use shall with first person. So here we can take out the thing that will is applicable with all the person, first, second and third. And the rule regarding will or shall is that we always use first form of the verb along with will or shall. Like, the principal will not accept this proposal. Here, will plus accept. Accept is first form of the verb. So, along with will or shall, we will always use first form of the verb. So, this is simple future tense. But what are the uses of simple future tense? Means will or shall. What are the uses of will or shall or simple future tense? So, we often use will in the following situations. What are the situations? I think I will. I don't think I will. Means if you are thinking about the future, about the probability of happening any event, then you can use will or shall. Like, I am not feeling well. I think I will consult a doctor. So here you are thinking something about future. Such sentence can be expressed by using will or shall plus first form of the verb. Next use of will or shall is that offering to do something. Means if you are offering something to anyone, then you can use will or shall to express future tense. Like, you look tired. I will get you some hot coffee. So here you are offering coffee to someone who is feeling tired. So to offer such a thing, you can use will or shall. The next use is agreeing to do something. Like, can you get me some apples? Sure. I will just go to market and buy some. Here you are agreeing to purchase apples for the person. So to show such thing, to show such action, you can use will or shall. Promising to do something. If you are doing promise to someone like, thank you for this help. I will return your money by Monday evening. Here you are doing promise, and promise can be expressed by using will or shall. Asking somebody to do something. Will you help me please? If you are asking somebody to help you or for something, then also you can use will or shall. To express an action over which the speaker doesn't have any control, like we shall get wet in this rain. So here over this action the speaker doesn't have any control. Such actions can also be expressed by using will or shall. To talk about the future in general way, like heavy monsoon will affect rail traffic. So here you are just speaking the future in general way. Here also you can use will or shall. So these are the uses of will or shall. Now the second form which can be used as future time, to express future time, and the next form of the verb is going to, which is known as going to form, which is used to express or suggest someone's intention to do something in the near future. So to express near future we can use going to form, like we are going to shift to a new house tomorrow. So it's your intention to do something in near future. It's your intention to shift to a new house in future, that can be expressed by using going to form. Now the next use is going to form. We use this form to make predictions. Sometimes we predict about the future that this may happen, then we can use going to form about the future when there are clear signs that this prediction will come true. Then only you can use going to form. If you are having the sign that the prediction which you are going to make is about to accomplish, then you will use going to form. Like, look at the careless manner in which he is playing. He is going to get out any moment. So here after looking at the signs, you are using going to form to do prediction. Now the form which is used here, you will use is mr plus going to plus first form of the verb, that is known as root form of the verb. Like the teacher is going to give us a test today. So here is mr plus going to plus root form of the verb is used in going to form. Now let us discuss the difference between will, shall or going to. It's really very important to remember, because while using them you may confuse that if the blank is given whether to fill it with will or shall or going to. So the thing which you have to remember, will shall talk about future events that the speaker cannot control, means talking about future in a general way. Like if you speak that I will go to market tomorrow, then the speaker doesn't have any control. Maybe that due to any happening you are not going to attend the meeting, or you are not going to go to market. So on that situation you doesn't have any control, so there you will use will or shall. But going to is used intention to do something in near future, or indication that something is going to happen in near future. You are doing prediction and that is having signs in present also that this particular action is going to complete in near future. There you will use going to form. So here in short we can remember it, that we use will or shall to talk about things in the future which we can't control, and we use going to talk about intentions or predict something for which there are clear signs in the present. So this is all about today.